Welcome to Falcon Computer Academy. I am Keval Vijay and today I am going to teach you a special lecture on how we can apply a password to a PDF file. If you have applied a password, then how can we remove that part? We are going to discuss both of these commands today. As you can see, I have already applied a password to a file here. As soon as I click here, as soon as I double click, you can see that the file will not open without a password. So I type the password here. And when we press enter or click on open, you can see that this file was password protected. This file was a PDF file. Look here, you can see its extension is PDF. That means I had applied a password to the PDF file so that whenever I send it somewhere or upload it to my website, the file cannot be opened without a password. In other words, no one can access it without the password. So, how do you apply a password to a PDF file? Today, I am going to teach you this in detail. Before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, don't forget to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, place your PDF file on the desktop or in a location where you can easily access it. For example, I have created a folder on the desktop here called Password on PDF. Let me double click on it and show you that this file opens without a password. This is the PDF file I have and it is opening without a password. Now I'm going to apply protection to this same file. So how do we apply protection? For that, the first thing we need to do is open Google Chrome here. Now, as soon as I open Google Chrome, this homepage appeared, and here in the search bar, I will type tiny and then www. So we will write TINYWOW here and press enter. So as you can see, the first website that appears in the search results is this one. You have to click on this website, TinyWow. When you click and press enter, this website opens up for you. On this website, many of your problems get solved. Just like last time you learned about the website I Love PDF, here you can work with PDFs and many other formats as well. There is a lot you can do on this one website, and I will teach you some of its commands in my upcoming lectures. So anyway, today we will talk about protected files, specifically how to set a password on a PDF to protect it. You need to click here on Protect PDF. As soon as we click on Protect PDF, you will see this page appear as the second page. Here you have to click on Upload from PC and mobile. You can access it from both PC and mobile, or you can select the file and drag it here as well. For now, we will click on Upload from PC and mobile. A box will open for you to select a file, and the file I had saved was saved on the desktop. And what was the name of the file? Password PDF. We click here, and after that, you need to open it. As soon as we open it, you can see that your file has now opened here. Now you need to choose a password, enter the password here. After that, there is 128-bit encryption protection, meaning you can add a password here with up to 128-bit encryption. So anyway, I type the password here, 123, and after that, I type this password to stay strong, alright? By clicking here, you can also view the password. For example, I set the password SRYK123, and what did I do? I protected it. Please remember this. After setting the password, make sure to note it down somewhere, like in a diary, so that if you ever want to unlock or remove the password, you don't face any problems. So you need to click on Protect. After clicking on Protect, a captcha will appear in front of you. You have to click on I am not a robot. And after a few seconds, see, the protection has been applied to your file. Your file is ready. Now, you have to click on Download. As soon as we click on Download, you need to select Save to Device. If you want to save it to your computer's device, like D drive, desktop, etc., then click on Save to Device. So look, the default location for Save to Device was Downloads for us. So just right click on it and then we open it. Now see, without the password, this file will not open. So what was our password? FCARYK and 123. I'm intentionally adding 456 as well. Let's see if the file opens just like that. Submit, but no, incorrect password. So what was the password? CARYK123 and then submit. Now your file has opened. In this way, you can protect your file, apply protection so that only the person who knows the password can access your file. If you want to remove the password, what do you need to do? First, you should know where the file is that you applied the password to. After that, you need to come here to the password section. Go to Protect PDF, then click on TinyWow. As soon as you click here, you'll be taken back to the home page of this website. Then, as we scroll down, you'll see Unlock PDF written here. You need to click on Unlock PDF. After that, select Upload from PC or mobile. Go to the location where your password protected file is saved. My file is in the Downloads folder. Then, see, this was our file, and what did we do? We opened it. As soon as we open it, you need to check the reCAPTCHA here, click here, and then type the password that you set on the file. If you want to properly remove the password, wait a few seconds while your file is processing. Here, you need to type the password. The password for our file was ACARYK123 and OK. Then we click on the CAPTCHA and we do it here and click on I am not a robot. After that, you need to complete the CAPTCHA. For example, if it asks about boards, click wherever there are boards and then verify it. After that, click OK. If the CAPTCHA comes up again and there are crosses, click on the road crosses and keep doing it until it's satisfied. These options will keep appearing until it's sure. In this way, now we have traffic lights. These are the traffic lights and we verify them. After filling in a few time zones, your file is ready. Now you need to click on download. When you click on download, select save to device. Now see, the password has been removed from your file. Now if I right click and open it, the file opens without a password. So, isn't this an interesting command? You can very easily apply protection to your PDF file and also remove it. So, this was my lecture for today in which you learned how to apply and remove a password on a PDF file. I hope you definitely learned something new in this lecture. If you liked today's video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.